Hey guys, so welcome to Craftily, or Crafting Unedited, both are the same. I recently, well, just a few minutes ago, did a video on Christmas labels and the cut and print feature, so I'm really hoping that it works this time so that I can show you the finished product. So I've already got this printed. So what I want to show you is the next steps. So if you have your image printed already, what you're gonna do is, let's see if I can zoom in here for you, is over here, it's gonna say I've already printed. So you're gonna select I've already printed, you're gonna select your material, and then you're gonna load, sorry, I'm gonna move you back and zoom, whoop, wrong way, back out. So, fingers crossed that it works this time. If not, you won't see the end of this video. So we're going to load the mat. Pray that it fixes itself. I had to do an update for Design Space, apparently. It doesn't just tell you that you need to do an update. It just decides that it's not going to work until you do the update. Very tedious. Cricut, get your crap together. Alright, so it's preparing. Let's see how this goes. Fingers crossed that it actually, like, does it. So the issue that I had is that, well, I had many issues in that video. If you want to watch it, please do. It's very entertaining. But I'm having an issue that it wasn't calibrating, so it wasn't following the border so that it could cut the image. Looks like it's doing better because before it only got to the top. So, we'll see. Looks like it's going. Yay! So, it looks like it's fixed itself. Hopefully. Alright, so it should cut here shortly. It's finalizing. So, in the end, the lesson that I learned is that you need to make sure that Design Space is updated. However, Cricut does need to make sure that they allow people to know ahead of time, like to forewarn them before they start a project that they need an update on their system. Not that they have to go through the whole process of making their whole project and then realizing that they can't cut it. It's a massive waste of time for people like me. I wasted an hour trying to figure this out. I also did something last night that had the same thing. I was cutting a sticker and I couldn't because Design Space needed to update. So if Cricut is watching this, or anyone who works at Cricut, please let them know that it really sucks. So this is what it looks like. Yay! Finished project. So it did cut only the squares, which is what we were hoping for. And you want to make sure that you take a scraping tool. I have one in here somewhere. Spatula. And just go along the edges. Ta-da! We have Christmas labels. So now you're going to repeat that process, for me, in my case, 20 times. Because I printed 20 pages of these. But we do have that many presents, so we will need this many labels. Alright, so this is what your end product looks like. Very cute, very adorable. So I hope that you guys have a fantastic day. Remember to please, if I give you the big baddie eyes, subscribe to my channel so that you can have more entertainment like this. Also, if you hit that bell, you'll be reminded as to when I am on, and it'll go right into your inbox. So you don't have to go scrolling through finding my videos. It's pretty neat. Anyways, until next time, see ya!